Back to the LCD screen. These screens are repaired. There are new ones. There are no scratches in it. But they came back from repair. And what do we see? We got a spot here. And we got a spot there. Here a spot. And there a spot. And how can we see that they were repaired? We're gonna take off this bezel. It's loose, you can see already. And we can take it off really easy. And why we can take it off easy? Because here's glue, double, but there is nothing it's glued on. So this screen is new and the repair is done very bad. So we got the stains over here and the other one again. We can take it out really easy. Take it out carefully. This one again with a double tape. It's glued to the screen, but here there is no residue of the glue. So this is a new screen. You can see it better here in this way. The touchscreen was repaired by a new one, but they did really bad because you've got spots over here.